Everybody get ready for flag. Push one. That's all you're gonna get.
Alright, let Bully lead first.
Get in your shroud and press number 3.
Alright, watch for these rock walls when they come up.
That gives you stability.
Oh, that guy, give him a gold
on
star.
on Bully, he just went in. A lot of his group got tied
He's
up.
trying real hard, man.
Oh, I can hear it really, really hard. Gold stars all around.
If we can get on top of some of the siege, if the other group
my
hasn't taken it out,
God.
we need to take it out, like some of these arrow carts.
We need to jump on top of
Well,
this
where are you guys?
fight.
Over there?
Oh my god,
Alright.
look at these bags.
Alright, let's
We're
go
just
down and
gonna
around. Down and
sprinkle
around.
some-
Come down the other
They're
stairs.
coming, they're coming.
Coming
We're
up.
pushing back up.
They're coming up.
We're gonna get them on behind him.
You get him.
And there's gonna be a group right at our tail, so watch it.
Is OLC gonna come up behind us?
Yeah. Alright, we may have to take this as a loss.
Oh shit, there's a lot of down.
Ah!
This might have been a bad idea. Ah! Ow, 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 ow. Why are you so happy about this?
Is a big water done?
Using the ACs
door.
on
Alright, wolves.
Was she
Shit.
retreat or are we gonna stick with
Yeah,
them until
let's retreat.
Yeah, this
Let them have it.
I'm gonna take this.
I had to run away.
Do you have to push the button to do that?
Yeah. We're
Yep.